Maths lecture, three-dimensional shapes, revision part 3. So today's is three-dimensional shapes. We are going to revise three-dimensional shapes. Now students, here I have some shapes over here. You have to guess the names of the shapes, okay? So one by one, I'll show you the image. Then you have to tell me which shape it is, okay? So you can unmute your mic and answer to the questions. Now this is the first juice box. Can you tell me which shape it is? 3D shape.
Cuboid.
Yes, very good. It's a cuboid because it is in a rectangular shape. So cuboid is a rectangular prism, no? So this juice box is a cuboid. Okay. Now the second one. This is the dice. Can you tell me which shape it is?
Cube.
Very good. It's a
Cube.
cube. Yes. In a cube, all the sides are in a square shape. Right? Now, the next are C. Can you see this image? What it is?
Triangle.
Yes, it's a triangle. It's not only a triangle, no? It's a 3D shaped triangle. So, what shape it is? 3D, which shape?
Tetrahedron.
Yes, it's a triangular prism. It's a triangular prism. See, you can see it's not a 2D shape. No, it's not only a triangle. It's in a 3D shape. Behind also is there. You can hold it in your hand. Yes. See, a prism can be a square shape, triangular shape, or a rectangular prism. Right? In the second lecture, we have studied about this. A prism is a solid shape which with two faces identically parallel. Well done. Now one more is there. Which 3D shape it is?
Triangular prism.
Yes, it's a triangle, but what it is? Which 3D shape? It has triangles from all the sides. So what it is?
Prism.
Pyramid. What? It's a pyramid. It is called pyramid. So this shape is pyramid. Now pyramid also has, see, the base of the pyramid can be a triangle, can be a square, can be a rectangle, can be a pentagon. So from the base we come to know which type of pyramid it is, whether it is a triangle pyramid, whether it is a square pyramid, or whether it is a rectangle, or whether it is a pentagon. See, like prism. Okay, like prism, we name the pyramid by the shape of the base. See, the base is over here is pentagon, here is square, and here is triangle. So from the base we come to know which type of pyramid it is. So this is pentagon pyramid, and the second one is square pyramid, and the third one is triangle pyramid. So remember students, prism and pyramid are the shapes which they are named after their base. Okay. See, the examples are also here. Examples of triangular pyramid. This is the clock, then the voice buffer, then this. The square pyramid is also here. See the examples. So these are the examples of pyramid. Now tell me this shape. Which shape it is? This is a candle. Okay. Now what is which 3D shape is a candle?
Cylinder shape.
Very good. Well done. This is the candle is having a cylinder shape. See, cylinder shape is how the curved surface is there. There are three faces, no? 1, 2, and 3. Upper and the bottom one. And the two edges. This part is curved. So this is a cylinder. Very good. Well done. Now students, today we will learn three-dimensional shapes, cone and sphere. Okay, so we will learn their properties, the properties of cone and the properties of sphere. Now see the shape of the cone. What is a cone? A cone is a three-dimensional geometric shape that tapers smoothly from a flat base, frequently through not necessarily circular to a point called the apex or vertex. Now see, this is the shape of a cone. Okay. Now this pointed part is the apex. It is called the apex and it's also called the vertex. Okay. Now these are the two edges. Now these edges are in angle form. See the triangles. This is forming a triangle. So this curved surface. Okay, this is the surface and this are the edges. And this one is a plane surface. Now we'll see how many edges and how many faces are there in a cone. Now first let's see cone. Let's see faces 1 and 2. So there are two faces. Now the vertex. The pointed part is the vertex, red one, and this one the was the edge. Again you can see faces. There are two faces. Then the vertex is 1 and the edge. See this one is the edge. So in a cone there are two faces, one vertex and one edge. See. So this is the shape of a cone. Now the faces, see the light part and the dark part. This folded surface is called the first face, and the bottom one, the dark yellowish, is the second phase, and edges is the bottom one, the circular part, and this red pointed one is the vertex. So in a cone, remember the properties of cone are that faces are 2, edges is 1, and vertices is 1. Now we'll see the real life examples of a cone. See, there are various types of real life examples. This is ice cream. You can see the part of this part. Everyone loves to eat ice cream, right? So you can see, you can hold this no in your hand. So it's a 3D shape. Now the lower part of this ice cream, this cone, is like a shape of the cone. Now the birthday hat. Everyone enjoys no birthday and you wear your hats. So you can see this is the proper cone. Now there are lots of example. See the carrot is also there, the hat is also there. This the funnel, the Christmas tree. So all these are real shapes cone. Today you can see in your surrounding, in your area, in your house also you have many shapes of cone related to cone. You can note down in your notebook. So these are the real life shapes of cone. Now we'll move on to the next is sphere. See, this is the sphere. The shape of the sphere is a round, ball-shaped solid. It has one continuous surface with no edges or vertices. Now, when you see the sphere is like a ball. Okay. So if you hold it, you will be able to see that there is no edges. Yes, edges are not there. Then the vertex is also not there. So it is a continuous solid shape with surface only. See, we will see the properties of sphere now. See, the faces is one. This portion is the face of the sphere, and the dark one is the edge. This one is the edge, and there is no vertices in a sphere. So, a sphere is a round shape which has no vertices, and this circular part and the faces is one. See, this is the sphere, the faces, then the no corners, zero corners, and zero edges. Okay, there is no edges over here. You can see again sphere, faces. So in sphere you have to just remember there is only one space and no vertices and no edges. See, again I'll play sphere, face. There is one face, no vertices and no edges. So remember students, in sphere there is no vertices and no edges, only one face. So now let's see the real life examples of sphere. See, the real life examples of sphere are so many. See, this is the globe, the fruit orange, then the balloon, then the various types of balls. Okay, balls related, all types of balls, play balls. So these are the examples of sphere. Now you can note down in your notebook, in your home or in your surrounding, which shapes are related to sphere. Now next, let's revise the 3D shapes. The first one was cube. There are 6 faces in a cube, 12 edges and 8 corner. Corner means the vertices. Okay. Then the second was cuboid. Now in a cuboid, we had 6 faces, 12 edges and 4 corners. Then in cylinder, we had 3 faces, the upper and the lower and the curved surface. Then 2 curved sides. Sides means the edges. This and this one. These are 2 edges. And the 0 corners means 0 vertices. There is no vertices in cylinder. Then the pyramid. In pyramid, see, the base of the pyramid is depend on the shape of the base. It may be square, rectangle, triangle. Okay. So there are 5 faces in a pyramid. The edges are 12. Edges are 8 and vertices are 5. There are 5 vertices. Then the cone, which we just studied now. Cone has 2 faces, then one curve edge, the bottom one, and one corner means one vertex at the top, which one is the apex. And the sphere. Now sphere only it has one face. There is no edges and no corner. So there are 2 shapes which don't have vertices. So that is cylinder and the sphere. So this you have to remember the properties of all 3D shapes, which is cube, cuboid, cylinder, pyramid, cone and sphere. Now, students, you have to tell me, okay, some shapes are there, some real life examples are there. Now, you have to tell me which it is related to 3D shape, which 3D shape it is. You can see
Cube.
is an ice cube, cardboard box, and a block. Yes, it's a
Ice cube.
Ice cube is cube. Cardboard box. Cube wire.
cardboard
Block.
is also, see, cardboard box is also having square shape, na? So it is a
Yeah.
cube. Yes. So these shapes are related to cube. All the
Cube.
yes, this block also you can see. See, a cube has a square shape. So it is a cube. Now one more is there. Next one. Examples name this. This is a bus. This is a tiffin box. And this is a fish tank. Now which 3D shape it is?
Rectangle.
Yes, the shape is rectangle. But rectangle is what? 2D.
Rectangular prism. Cuboid.
Yes, rectangular prism or cuboid. Very good. See, a cuboid is also called a rectangular prism. Yes, it's all, these all are in a rectangular shape if you'll see. Yes, see the fish tank is also is having a rectangular shape, and the faces also you can see, the edges also you can see. So these are the examples of cuboid, that is a rectangular prism. Well done. Now tell me more, okay? Now this is also there. This images ice cream cone, birthday hat, pencil tape. See the pencil tape. Which shape it is? Which 3D shape? This we studied just now. Yes.
Cone.
Yes, it's a cone.
Cone.
How many vertices are there in a cone?
One.
One. Very good.
One.
And how many faces are there in a cone?
Two.
Well done. There are two faces. And edges? How many edges are there?
One.
One. Very good. So you remember. So so this is a cone. These are examples of cone. Now this one. This is a can, this is the drum, and this is a mug. Now which shape it is related to? Which 3D shape?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Well done. Now how many faces are there in a cylinder? Yes. How many faces are there in a cylinder?
Three.
Three faces. Very good. The top and the bottom, and the curve one is the faces. And how many vertices are there? Is there any vertices in cylinder? Can you see? No. There are zero vertices. And is there any edges in cylinder? There are edges.
Miss two edges.
Yes, very good. There are two edges. So this shape is a cylinder. Well done, everyone. Now see the next image. This is the basketball, orange and marbles. So this which 3D shape it is? Yes. These are related to which 3D shape?
Miss, it's a spear.
Yes, it's a sphere. Now how many vertices are there in a sphere?
No vertices.
No vertices, zero vertices. And how many faces are there in a sphere?
One.
Yes, there is only One faces. And how many edges are there in a sphere?
No edges.
No edges, zero edges. So in a sphere, there is no edges and no vertices, only one face. So these all examples are related to which 3D shape? It is related to sphere. Very good. Now students, one more image is there. Just tell me which 3D
Pyramid.
example it is. Is it a pyramid?
Yes.
See again. See, there is a rectangular shape in this.
Triangle.
Yes, there is a rectangle shape in this, and the triangle shape is also there. It is a triangular prism. See, there are two triangles in front and the behind, and the base is rectangle and the two sides are rectangle. So this is a triangular prism. See, this tent also you can see. The front side and the back side is also a triangle. And if you see, the base will also be a rectangle. The front and back will be a triangle. Base will be the rectangle. So this is the triangular prism. So these examples are related to triangular prism. Now these are some shapes. Now tell me which 3D shape it is. This is mountain, this is pyramid. See, all these are examples related to. See, all the sides, if you see, they are triangles.
Pyramid
Yes,
shape.
very good, very good. So these are the pyramids around us. So all these are examples. See the roof of the house. So all these are examples of pyramids. Very good, well done. Now you have to match some shapes, okay? Now match 3D and 2D shapes. Now first one is the cube. So can you match? Can you tell me cube will match which one? See the shapes. Yes, the cube will match to square. Now second one is what? Rectangular.
Rectangular. Rectangle, teacher.
Yes, very good. Rectangle. So the rectangular prism will match to 2D shape rectangle. So the right side are all 2D shapes and the left sides are all 3D shapes. Now the third one.
Triangle pyramid go to triangle.
Yes, very good. Triangle prism goes to triangle. Yes. Now the fourth one is hexagonal prism. So hexagonal prism will match to which one?
Hexagon.
Yes, hexagon. So hexagonal prism will match to hexagon. Now the last one is the which one? Last one is what? Which shape?
Circle.
Yes, it will match to circle. And
Circle shape. Sphere shape.
yes, sphere will goes to circle. So see, you can see the shapes. All the left side are in a 3D shape and all the right side are in a 2D shapes. Okay, well done. You all are experts. Now, students, this is the homework for you. You can take the screenshot. Okay, there are some 3D shapes. Now you have to write the properties of these shapes. Okay, there are 5 shapes in this. You have to first write which 3D shape it is, and then you have to mention that how many faces, how many edges, and how many vertices are there. Okay, you can take the screenshot of this and in your notebook. You can write it, their properties. Now tell me the first shape. Only I'm going to ask you the shapes. Now the first one is what? Which shape it is?
Square.
3D shape. I'm asking the 3D shape, no? So in 3D, yes, it's a cube. Very good. And the second one, which shape?
Cylinder.
Yes,
Cylinder.
cylinder. So the
Cylinder.
second 3D shape is cylinder.
Cylinder.
And the third one, this one, which 3D shape it is?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Very good. So it's a cuboid. This one, fourth one,
Cone.
yes, very good. It's a cone. So you have to write like this. This 3D shape is a cone. Then you have to mention it has faces, it has how many edges, then how many vertices. Okay. Then the last one,
Circle.
circle. Circle is a 2D shape. Circle is a 2D shape. Now this last one, 3D shape I'm asking. What it is called?
Circle.
Uh,
Spear.
yes, sphere. So in 3D shape, you don't have to say circle. It is called sphere. Okay. So in 3D shape, this is called sphere. See, if you hold the ball in your hand, that ball will be a sphere in shape. Okay. So remember, in 3D shape, we don't call it circle, we called it sphere. Okay. Now this is the homework for you. You have to mention the faces, edges and vertices. So thank you students for attending today's lecture. Now tomorrow we'll meet at the same timing. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.